Hi, so today we're going to be looking into drawing three-dimensional shapes on isometric paper. Now isometric paper is this triangular looking paper here. When we draw our shapes on it, all the lines follow the different directions of the triangles, and it gives the effect of three-dimensional look. So we're asked to draw a 3D shape on the isometric paper for a cuboid that is 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 5 centimeters in size. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily make a lot of difference whether we decide that 5 centimeters is the height or the width or the depth. We get to choose that as long as our sizes are 3 and 4 and 5. So let's say we want to do a length that is 3. So we'll get our ruler or protractor in my case, and we'll line it up with one of the directions on the isometric paper. And so what I'm going to try and do is draw the bottom front side of the shape. So we need it to be 3 centimeters long. So all I do is I decide where I'm going to start, let's say there, and I do 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make that a bit thicker. So there's one of my edges, that's the 3. Now I want a 4 centimeter edge now. So let's say that 4 is going this way. So I just line it up with one of my other directions on the triangular paper, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles for that side, and then the last one I've got left is 5. Now that must be my height. So here we go. Line it up upright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it doesn't look much like a cuboid yet, but we need to put all the other sides in. Okay. So we need another upright. It'll start making a bit of sense when we've got another upright on this. So the uprights were 5, weren't they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this is starting to look like the front face of a cuboid. So we need a top edge to that one. 2, 3. Okie dokie. So this is starting to make a bit of sense now, I'm hoping. So let's do the other front left facing face. Now that was 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 going the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need the upright that goes with that. So we just follow our triangle down. And now we need the top face. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll finish that off there. 1, 2, 3, all making sense. Quick check at this point, does it look wonky? No, it doesn't look wonky, so we're probably doing it right. And I guess the slightly harder bits now are when we're doing the edges that you can't see that are around the back of the cuboid. So looking at this sort of front edge down the bottom here, there must be another one up the back there. So what I'm going to do is to give it the sense of being at the back, I'm just going to do that in dashed lines, but that's not necessary. You can do it in solid lines if you want to. Okay, and we need the other part of the base of the cuboid. So we'll put that in, and then the final piece will be the upright around the back here. There you go. And if we want to check, that's pretty simple to do. So we've counted this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 triangles across. This one is 1, 2, 3 triangles across. That all works out. And the height was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high. So that's all correct. Okay. Now time for you to have a go.